Sexism. Noun. The belief that people of one sex or gender are inherently superior to people of the other sex or gender. The notion that either gender is superior is sexism. Sexism. Noun. Different treatment or discrimination based on a difference of sex or gender. Sexism. Noun. Disadvantage or unequal opportunity arising from the cultural dominance of one gender over the other. Sexism. Noun. Promotion or expectation or assumption of people to behave in accordance with or deviate from a gender role. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.